Read the dialogue.
This work is hard. It's hot in the sun. Mouse, duck, the dog are having fun. Why can't we laugh, play and run? You will know when the work is done. Is that bread? It smells so fine. I want some bread. What part is mine? I want some too. Where do we dine? You didn't plant or work or cook, so you can't eat? You can stand and look.
What is happening in the two pictures? What did you understand from the conversation? Read the dialogue of Activity A. Group work. Act the story of Activity A from your textbook.